Hi, my name is Jacob Gunn, and I'm here to introduce to you a new game that I think would be not only a lot of fun to make, but a lot of fun to play. Do you ever feel lost, looking for that perfect game to make for your full cell class? Well, what if there was a game where the food in your refrigerator was at war? I present to you Tomato Squadron, an RPG third person shooter where a rowdy group of tomatoes has to save the world. Well, the refrigerator. In the game, you, the captain, using your troops and ability to kill vegetables, has to find a way to cool the fridge down before everyone dies from an infectious mold disease. Here are a few of the characters that I've come up with: the no nonsense commander, the fallen line private with a catchphrase, the sergeant that has control issues, the scientist that explains everything, and a litany of bad guys, so you can have fun killing them. Now, going down this road, we have some obvious risks. As students, it will be difficult for us to implement the designs and mechanics correctly, but I believe that there shouldn't be too much of an issue that we'll be able to get through it. We have to realize what can be done in the time and abilities we have available to us. We also have to keep the characters looking the same on each level. I'm thinking 3 levels for each level of the fridge. Now, in Tomato Squadron, I've also come up with a bit of a storyboard to get you more intimate with programming and basically be able to see my idea firsthand. I think it would help you want to make it. So we start off, press start, click, and you go into the refrigerator, where you find a scientist hard at work. Oh, my dear Lord, if my numbers are correct, oh my God. Sir, I have to speak with you. This is a civilian sector, Doctor. You're not allowed in here. This is important, Commander. This is very important. You need to listen. Oh, fine. What is it? As I'm sure you have noticed, the temperature has been slowly rising, causing causing us to be more mad at each other. Get to the point! Well, if we don't find a way to cool down the planet, we could be looking at a worldwide catastrophe, the likes of which we've never seen. You you couldn't possibly. You don't mean. Yes, I do. Mold. It'll take over every known fruit and vegetable in the fridge, turning them into wild, ketchup-thirsty beasts. My God. Private, get in here. Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. We, Private, call the squad, get them together. We have a control knob to get to. This means war. Sir, yes, sir. Wake up, you fruits. In an in-game, especially with shooting games, decision making can be complicated. I want to simplify this in many ways so that the second basis of the game can be a lot of fun and yet dynamic. Here's a basic layout of the structure of the game while you're fighting. Be able to tell your people where to go so that you can flank the position of the people you're fighting. There'll also be power-ups for your weapon, ketchup packets for your life, and ammo. To stop the endless horde, you must survive long enough for your team to blow up the place where the enemy is coming from. The novelty and dynamic elements mixed with quick action gameplay should make this a viable and yet fun game to make. I hope you choose me, and thank you for watching.